Hey, what's up out there, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick video on my experience with the PIX so far. I'll show you just how simple it is to get your PIX up and running. I'll also demonstrate the auto fly feature for you, which is a game changer. But before I get into all of that, first let me show you what you'll get inside of the box if you decide to pick one of these up. Okay guys, so taking a look at everything you'll get inside of the box, as you can see it comes in nice and professional packaging, and inside the box you get everything you would need to get the PIX up and running, to include a nice and easy to read user manual. Yes, it does have multiple languages. Followed by that, your PIX and all of your needed accessories, to include your charging station, a USB Type-C charging cable, 2 extra sets of propellers, and a nice carrying bag are all there for you. So taking a look at the design of the PIX itself, as you can see, it has a small and compact design. It can almost fit in the palm of my hand. I also like the fact that it is lightweight in design, and it also comes with 8 gigabytes of onboard storage to store plenty of videos and all of my selfies. Speaking of pictures and videos, this thing has an onboard 12 megapixel camera. As I'll show you guys in the app a little bit later, this is good for 1080p at 30 frames per second. Another thing that I like about the design of the PIX in general is how easy it is to charge the station and the PIX itself. As you can see, the station itself does have a USB port on the back of it, so you can charge external devices. So you can use that method, or you can simply slide the PIX into the station and it'll start charging. The station is convenient. It does have a 5000 milliamp hour battery inside of it. This will charge the PIX up to 6 times once it goes dead. And if you ever need to see how much battery is left on the station, just hit the button on the side. I was also pleased with how easy it was to set up the PIX through the app. Essentially, all that you have to do is download the app and then turn your PIX on. From there, you will get a Wi-Fi signal directly for your PIX. Once you see that, connect to the PIX Wi-Fi signal and then go back to the app and you'll be all set. Once you get into the app, you'll see that it has a pretty user-friendly interface. Operating the PIX in general is pretty straightforward, but there are tutorials and instructions inside of the app to get you up and running. Now, you can fly the PIX in manual mode if you want to, but the coolest feature to me is the auto fly. Let me demonstrate how this works for you. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the PIX in my hand right now. I just want to do a quick demonstration of the auto fly feature. I really think you guys are going to like this. As I'll show you guys in just a minute, once I turn the propellers on, all that I have to do is throw the PIX out. It will automatically level out and do what it needs to do to take my picture. And the coolest thing about the whole process is once it's done taking my picture, it will come back and land right in my hand. Alright guys, so let's try it out. So as you can see, I'm not doing anything right now, and it's gonna take a picture. It'll automatically level out to take the best picture for me. I can do a little pose, and I'll know that it takes the picture once I see the LED lights, and it'll come right back to my hand and land right here. Let's take a look. And just like that, we all set. So there you have it guys. That's just how simple it is to operate the PIX. In terms of an aerial camera, it doesn't get much simpler than this.